What happens when a tiny battery problem completely disables a brand new electric car? That is exactly what happened to a 2024 Kia EV9, and the story will shock you. A minor scrape led to entire EV shutting down, and it took a detailed investigation to find the culprit. Let's dive in. The EV arrived at a British workshop called OGS Mechanics, completely dead. The owner reported that after a minor collision, when the battery was scraped, the car wouldn't start. Attempting to turn it on would only trigger dozens of error messages. Mechanic George explained, "The problem we found will shock most people," and he wasn't kidding. George and his team began inspecting the battery from underneath the car. They found a damaged high voltage cable and replaced it, but surprisingly, the EV still didn't work. That's when they decided to remove the massive battery entirely for a closer look. Upon inspection, they discovered the issue might be the battery safety cable. While it appeared functional, George suspected some pins in the connector had loosened during the collision, preventing the car from powering up. Here's where it gets crazy. The Kia had a second identical safety cable. George decided to test it by reinstalling it. Even then, the car didn't start at first. They tried replacing the battery management system, the BMS, but no luck. The real culprit? A small service cable in the battery that was slightly loose. That tiny, almost invisible problem had shut down the entire EV. Once the loose service cable was secured, the Kia came back to life. The mechanics test drove the EV with no issues, confirming everything looked perfectly. George estimated the total repair cost would be around $2,400 USD, which is incredible considering how much trouble the car caused initially. All it took was one tiny cable. This case is a reminder that even the most advanced electric cars can be sidelined by the smallest components. A minor collision or a loose cable can cause major headaches, and diagnosing EVs often require patience, skill, and attention to detail. So next time your EV acts up, don't panic. Sometimes the fix is surprisingly simple. What do you think? Could you imagine your car being out of commission because of one tiny cable? Let us know in the comments. Hit like if you learned something new, and subscribe for more EV repair stories and tech deep dives.